Hey guys, Dave here from Affinity YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove a watermark from a photo in Affinity Photo. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video. And you can also follow me on my Instagram account where I upload my new artwork on a regular basis. Alright, let's start the process. To remove watermark from a photo, there are main two powerful tools to use. 1. In painting brush tool. 2. Healing brush tool. By using these two tools, you can remove watermark from any photo. Let's start with in painting brush tool. Brush on the text area like this. Now these two are background side, but when you work on inside the main image like face, hair, body, be patient, zoom it maximum and take a time to remove it. Make your brush size not large but up to size that cover text part and brush on it like this. Now here I am going to use healing brush tool. You can continue with in painting brush tool, but for example I am showing you the second option. Select heal brush tool, press Alt from your keyboard, take sample from outside like this, which are going to use on the healing time, and gently brush on the text part like this. Okay, from here again I am changing my tool to in painting brush tool and continue brush on the area until all text part remove. additional filters, haze removal, keep as it default setup. This is before and after, and that's it. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video, subscribe this Affinity Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Affinity Photo effect tutorials. Also share your valuable comment on this video. You can connect me on my Instagram account, link in video description, and also you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching. I'm Dav from Affinity Vibe YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next video soon. Till then, keep practicing cause practice makes us perfect, and have fun with Affinity Photo.